Hey smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we're soaring high and taking a bird's eye view of two epic drones, the Tommy's drone with camera for adults 4K and the Ford DRC V4 mini foldable drone. Buckle up, because this is going to be a wild ride. First up, let's talk cameras. The Tommy's drone boasts a 4K UHD camera with a 90 degrees adjustable lens and 110 degrees FOV. Reviewers have praised the camera's stunning detail, making it perfect for capturing everything from gorgeous sunsets to your neighbor's backyard barbecue. Meanwhile, the Ford DRC V4 mini drone comes equipped with a 1080p camera that's reliable and solid, though not quite as flashy. Some reviewers noted that while it's good for casual use, it doesn't match the Tommy's in image quality. Next, let's talk about stability and flight features. The Tommy's drone has an optical flow positioning sensor for accurate hovering, making it stable and balanced, like a yoga master in the sky. Reviewers have found it easy to learn and control, though caution is advised in windy conditions. On the other hand, the Ford DRC V4 mini drone also has optical flow positioning, but adds fun features like 3D flips, trajectory flight, and even VR. It's the life of the party, with reviewers highlighting its fun and engaging flight capabilities, though some mentioned it can be a bit tricky to steer. Now, let's dive into battery life and portability. The Tommy's drone comes with a powerful motor and 4 wind resistance levels, making it resilient and strong. It's great for travel, although some reviewers noted that battery life could be better. The Ford DRC V4 mini drone offers up to 26 minutes of flight time with its 2 modular batteries, making it quick and portable. Reviewers appreciated its carrying case and foldable design, though some found the battery charging process confusing. Finally, let's talk ease of use and customer service. The Tommy's drone is super beginner-friendly with one-touch takeoff, altitude hold, and headless mode. Reviewers have praised its easy setup and responsive customer service, though some had issues with getting replacement parts. The Ford DRC V4 mini drone is also perfect for beginners with its one-key takeoff, landing, and headless mode, and it includes fun features like gesture photo and auto-follow. However, some reviewers noted durability issues after extended use. Overall, reviewers have found the Tommy's drone to be a durable and high-quality option that excels in camera capabilities and stability. On the other hand, the Ford DRC V4 mini drone is appreciated for its fun features and portability, though it has some durability concerns. So there you have it, smart shoppers. Whether you're looking for the ultimate aerial photographer with the Tommy's drone, or a fun and portable flying buddy with the Ford DRC V4 mini drone, you can't go wrong. Let us know in the comments which drone you'd pick and why. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, happy flying. Product links are in the description.